Hello everyone. Welcome to part 4 of dating social networking website in Laravel 5.6. And in this video, we are going to work on registration user registration again. Once again, we will work on this thing, and this time we are going to add a few more fields like retype password and agree to terms and conditions and privacy policy checkbox as well. Same like I have shown you last time that the website I have made 10 years back is the simple website, simple dating website, and in that website I have used that form, or you can take example of any other website as well. So we can follow this thing. See, username and email, we are using email as the username, so that we are using email. Okay, that is fine. And password we are using. Then retype your password we will add, and as well as this checkbox we are going to add. I affirm that I read terms and conditions, like this kind of checkbox we are going to add, and captcha also we will add later on. So along with this one, we are going to add jQuery validation as well to our form, and we are going to check email for its existence. We will use jQuery remote function, same like Ajax, and we are going to check email instantly. The message will come here that the email is already exist, or means if it's fine, then no message will display. Otherwise, it will display email already exists if it exists in our database. So let's start working on part 4. So in part 4, we are going to work on user registration, user registration as well. We are going to continue. Okay, work on registration like this, and this time we are going to add a few more fields like retype password and agree checkbox and condition checkbox, and we will also add jQuery validation, and will also use remote function of jQuery to check email existence, to check for unique email. Okay, these are the things we are going to do. So first of all, we need to search and download jQuery. Download jQuery form validation. So we can simply search for keywords like jQuery form validation in Google. Okay, we will simply search for jQuery form validation, and you can we can use any, but I am going to use this one. Okay, because I have already tested with this one and it seems to be working fine. So I am going to have the validation from jquery-validation.org website, and going to download from this link. Okay, see here jQuery validation. See, I'm going to download this one. So simply you can open this link and download and open below link. Okay, you can simply get it from here. Okay, then click on download to download link under files, that is under files. Okay, to download, let's see, under files to download what version it gives to download jQuery validation, this one. Okay, so now it's downloaded. I'm just going to check that whether it is fine or not. See, and okay, yes, done. Now I'm going to check. We can check demo and we can check any validations. See here, yeah, it seems to be fine. And see for email, yeah, it's working fine. And we can also use, and we can also check file input in case we require later on for our profile image, for user image. So it's working fine. So we will use this validation for our dating website. Okay. So you just need to download any of the validation, like I have downloaded jQuery validation, and you can also follow the same. Okay. Now see, you just need to follow this structure, means how its structure is present here. You can see some of the files, JS files are located in various folders, and now we are going to move the JS files to the Laravel folder and other files as well, and going to embed this jQuery with our Laravel project. Okay, so we are going to embed this jQuery. See, we are going to embed now jQuery with our Laravel project. Okay, this is the process we used to do every time. And now see, first of all, we are going to copy JS file, and can say copy JS files. Okay, this thing first we will do. And see, first of all, yeah, first of all, copy. See, you can also open the demo file we have run. So you can open this file in your subline and can see that which files we need to copy, because it's working fine. So simply we need to copy. See, this jquery.js file exists in lib folder that we can copy to our JS folder, our front-end JS folder, and this one as well, jquery.validate.js, that is located in dist folder. Okay, like this. And we will create one more file later on, main.js, in our folder in our Laravel project, and we can copy this jQuery script to our that file, and we will modify it later on. And these are the files which we are going to copy. Okay, so you can see that if we will open jquery.js in the lib directory, then you can see that we will have, look once. Yeah, now you can see that it contains the other file, and see here, it contains the other js file that is related to 3.1.1, and you just need to change the version here, and you can use any file, but we will use 3.1.1 jQuery. That's not an issue. We will use this file, so we will copy this file as well. So these are the JS file we need to use, and we need to embed in our front design file as well. So we will do step by step. Okay, let's start. First, copying the file that we require. See, first we are going to copy from uh, lib folder, and that is here. So we are going to copy jquery.js and this one, because this file is included in jquery.js. So we are going to copy this one as well. Copy jquery.js and jquery 3.1.1.js from lib folder located at jquery validation 1.117.0 folder uh, to our Laravel, our Laravel dating project, to our Laravel dating project, to the below folder, that is, we will copy. See, it will be first public. After public, it's JS. After JS, it is frontend underscore JS. We are going to copy to this folder both these files, jQuery and jQuery 3.1.1. Okay. See, no file exists here. So we are going to copy first of the JS files, jquery.js and jQuery 3.1.1.js. So next step will be now we are going to copy from the dist folder, and in this we are going to copy jquery.validate.js and additional-methods.js, both the files we require. So we will copy. Even then, we can copy all the files, and we can simply use. So just copy jquery dot validate.js and additional methods.js from st folder that we download to public js and js. Okay. Now we are going to copy, or we can copy all files, but we will copy these files only. Okay, fine. Now what we will do, we will now create one more file. We will now create one more file, create main.js file. Okay. Now create main.js file at this path only. Okay. So that we can copy some more jQuery script from index.html file located at jQuery Validation folder that we will modify later on. Okay. Now we will create one file here, one more file, that is main.js, that will come into role every time, same like like we have done in our e-commerce project, e-commerce series. So now we are going to open main.js file that we have created, that we have just created, and we can copy this part, means this complete script we can copy. Okay, so I can control shift A and can copy this complete script A, and we will modify it. No issue, that's not an issue. We are going to modify it shortly. But first of all, one more thing we need to do, that is the crucial thing. We need to add all these JS files to our front design so that we can attach to our Laravel project. Still, we just copy the files, created the files, but files are not attached to our Laravel project. So now we are going to update our front design. Update front design .php file. See, now update front design blade file to attach all these JS files to our Laravel project. Okay, so this thing we will do. Okay, now we'll simply, after CSS, we can write here the script, simple script src. Yeah, we can close it as well, and we can attach now path here, a set, and after that JS, then it's front end underscore JS. Then we will attach, first of all, we can copy one by one all these files. See, one file is still missing. We missed to copy jQuery file, and that we have jQuery and jQuery 3.1.1. Okay, yeah, it's there. Yeah, it's there. I'm thinking that we miss. Now we first give the path of this file. So like this, simple, and see, fine, it's fine, and we will also attach three more files. Control Shift D, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we will just give the path of other files as well. Okay, so we will give the path of other files as well, like jquery validate. Okay, this one, and additional methods, and main.js. Okay, now see, this file, we no need to include this file because jquery.js already includes this file that I have explained you earlier as well, that this file is already included 3.1.1 JS, so we no need to add it separately. So we have added all the related JS files to our Laravel project in front design, and now we will work on our register blade file to add ID to form and to add the remaining fields, so that we can work on main.js file as well to update its validation. So uh, now now we are going to update register.blade.php file. Now we will add ID to ID, like signupForm from the same ID that is given here. we can give this ID sign up form, okay, to our register form located at register.blade file, and we will also add, okay, see here it's already included. If you will see, you come to know that it's already included. Retype password, we can give confirm password or retype password. We will also add confirm password, and please agree to our policy on password input field, and please agree to our policy checkbox to our register form. Okay, now open then register.blade.php file. See, this is the earlier form we are working on, and now simply we will do going to copy this password to here. We can have confirm password, okay, or retype password. Anything you can add here. We can give confirm password as well, and we will also give IDs, and also we will give form ID, okay. Form ID we will give sign form. Yes, okay, and we will also give the checkbox, and for this we can add the checkbox at the last. Here we can add the checkbox, yes, and we can just simply copy, please agree to our policy. Here, see, and after that we can copy this one, input, and we can do okay, fine. So checkbox we have also copied, and now we will see our form is looking fine. Yeah, it's looking fine now. Email, password, confirm password, name, please edit our policy. Okay, all the fields are coming up. Okay, now we will update main.js file, so that we will check once that if see the validations are still working, because we have attached the validation to it. See, we have added sign up form, and we have already the validations for it already. We copy the validations for it in with sign up form. So we will update this main.js file to uh, to have the proper validation and remove the unwanted validation. Okay, so this can update main.js file. Now we will update main.js file to keep necessary validation and remove unnecessary validation. So, okay, and we will also add some more validation to our register form. Okay, now see, this we are going to remove this one is not required. Okay, so we can remove the unwanted validation at all, because it can just simply confuse us. The command form we are not having, and sign up form, we are having, and all this we can remove because we don't require all these kind of validation at this time. So you can simply remove all these kind of validations, remove it carefully so that you don't end up making means if any error will come, then your validation will stop working. Okay, like this. Now we have signed up for validation only, but we will see that what we require, we will update it according to our requirements. Okay, now see, we don't have first name, last name. Now we only have name, so we will update to name only. And see, we don't have even username. Okay, we have email, so here we can write name. Okay, and inside this that is required true is fine and minimum length is fine. And see, this one we can remove these two because we don't have. Okay, like this, name required true, minimum length. And one more thing we will add here, we will add here letters only. Okay, letters only is the jQuery validation, that must be true, because letters only we will use to check that a name will only consist of letters, means no dates will come there, so we will use letters only. Okay, now see, we will keep checking on it side by side because any error can come here. See, it's fine. See here, and now here we have added some validation. See, if I add something in numeric, then it gives letters only, please. Okay, this kind of things comes here. Okay, it's fine. So we just need to follow means these steps. And see, we will use letters only, or you can just follow the video for this thing. This thing no need to write, and you can follow it like this. And see, now it's fine, name is fine. See, also minimum length is to that. Okay, some name can be like DK, PK or something. Okay, fine, that is fine. And after password is fine, that is required true, but minimum length we can make it 6. Okay, that is fine. Then confirm password, that is also fine, required true, minimum length 5. See, equal to password, this is the ID, this is the ID of password, so minimum length we will make it 6 as well. And this is the ID of password, so we need to add the IDs to our form. Okay, so add the ID to our form. Okay, and make sure that IDs are unique. Okay, otherwise the issue will come. Okay, now see, ID email, and here ID equal to password, like this. And here uh, ID equal to confirm password. Okay, and see, remove these kind of ID, these are we don't require here. ID is not of any purpose of adding ID here. I don't know why they have added here in template, but we can remove the unnecessary things like this. Okay, you can also remove the ID from here. See, it's fine, ID is already there, and ID here is also required. We can add ID to name as well. And we just need to check that IDs are unique or not, and we will just refresh, and we just do F12 here to in console so that we can check. And now see now no issue has come, so it means that ID is unique, otherwise issue can come in our console, so it's fine. Okay, so we can return back and we will see. Now we have added the ID. Now we can use the ID of password. Okay, here, yeah, ID equal to password, that is fine. See, after that email column has come, and that is having required true, and email is also true, that is fine. Okay, see, topic, don't we have topic, so we can remove this at all. See, agree is fine, agree we are having. See, now here messages means the message comes here, like all these are the messages that are coming from here, and it is specific to our validation, means like for name, we will add the message here. See, name, it does not have any message, so it is coming like this. This field is required because it does not have any message related to it. So if we will make a change here, if we can add like this name here, and please enter your name. Okay, now see the change. Now the message has come to the name ID, so it will come like please enter your name. You have seen, so it is coming like please enter your name. All these things need to remember because we are working on jQuery validations, and everything like this. We need to be aware of all these things while working on jQuery validations. That how these will work because we are going to use it everywhere in our other forms as well, uh, and inside like responses, sending message, and everywhere we are going to use. So we must be aware of all these things. Okay, so now it's fine. And see this one, we don't have any kind of last name kind of thing, and we can just simply remove it. And now now name, we are having username also we don't have, and but we are having email is at the bottom, but username we don't have. We can remove username as well. See, password we are having, password required password, and that is minimum length. We have make it to 6, so we will write here 6 now. In confirm password as well, this will be the same. And email, please enter a valid email address, that is fine, and agree is also fine. And this one we can move topic and the comma here. Okay, now see the message we have updated. Now we are going to refresh and we can see, yeah, please enter valid email address, please provide a password, please provide a password, and then please enter your name. Okay, here we can write not please confirm you will confirm a password, or you can write please provide your password. Okay, will confirm your password like this. It also looks fine, and this also must be p must be capital because we need to give it as capital. It don't look that small because okay, here also we can make it caps like this. Okay, yeah. So see, we need to take care of all these things. uh, email, this one is not required. Okay, now see, now it seems to be better, but one more thing we are going to do, we are going to make it in red, and also the we will it is too long. We are going to make it little bit less. See, size 40 is too much. We can make it size 20 or size 25. Okay, so we just can update for all. Okay, now and just make it like size 20. Okay, or we will update it. So yeah, now it's fine. See, its validations are also coming perfectly. See, now it's looking fine. Yeah, yeah, now it's looking fine. Or we can give a little bit more if you want to give like 25. You can test with this 25 as well. Yeah, this one is also looking fine, but I want to give it in one line, so I think 22 we can try. Is 22? Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, now see, and also I want to give some CSS to it, and I will uh, update layout.css and will give some color to it, and so I will update now, update layout.css file. Okay, that is the file we are using in our template, and I am going to add, I'm going to see which class we are using for it, and we are using this error class. That's fine, and I can add at the bottom here. I'm not that good in CSS, but I will add this simple thing. Color, we can add red color. Red color is having this one. Okay, and we can now check. See, now it's coming in red. Now it's looking fine. Or you can also add some other color. That's not an issue. You can add this color, that is the add-on sticker, or you can add this color, that is also looks good. We can add any color we want. That must be looking. Now let's copy. See, now it looks better, or you can use any color you want. Okay, now it looks better than before. Also, we could give some margin. Left we can give 2 pixels. See, now it looks even better. 3 pixel even can work like this. Yeah, now it looks better. Fine. So font also we can do. Fonts also you can make it big, but it is fine for the timing. Now we will. So just you can add this script, add below CSS to give some color and margin to error class to error validation or then okay like this only. So yeah, now see, now the another thing we are going to do here is the uniqueness of email. See, email we have already having these two emails, and if case you are going to user is going to add that same email again, है means by chance this user already created account few months or few years back, and he by mistaken write his email ID again, then the message will appear here that email already exists. Okay, this kind of message. Okay, now see if we are going to use this 2 3 4 5 6 uh, 3 4 5 6. Okay, sorry, uh, using the wrong one. See here, if I use the same password, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, the same 7 I believe. I think the wrong password 3 4 5 6 7. Now it is same, and the name we can give Amit, and then the issue will come in our Laravel. See, or see, yeah, if you will come duplicate entry, so we must not allow the email to means so that duplicate email will, even if duplicate email is there, we will tell the user that it already exists. Okay, because email will play as a username, and username must always unique. Okay, so we are going to use the remote function of jQuery. So with that remote function, uh, we will add one URL from where we are going to check that email already exists or not, and display the message with form or with email. Okay. So in 8th point, we are going to update main.js file once again. Okay, and this time uh, we are going to check if email already exists or not, and this we are going to do with remote function or condition of jQuery. Okay, fine. So let's do it. So see here, what we are going to do, that is required true, email true, that is fine, and after comma we are going to use remote. Okay, remote, then uh, use, and we can use one URL we just need to do, and we can do like this: check if one email, like this we can use. Okay, we will create this route later on. See, we can simply use it like this. Okay, so, and here also with the email, uh, we can make we can use email here email in this same way like we have used password, so that we can use it for several purposes required. In this required, first thing will come this one: please enter your email. Please enter your email, like this. And the second thing is our email itself, because that is please enter a valid email. This one is fine. This one we are going to use with email with code like this. Okay, and the third one is remote. Okay, for the remote, the message, if it will return false, then message will come as email already exists, like this. Okay, so this is the third thing we are going to add. Fine, so we are going to remove this one. This one we don't require now. See, we have added here only. See, three things we are using: required, email, and remote. Okay, everyone having its own purpose. Required is for if email does not we not enter the email, then it will come as please enter your email. And the if email is incorrect, we are not typing email, we are typing some text only, then it will ask for please enter a valid email. And if the remote that we are going to do work on this thing, that we're going to check email, we will create route and function. In function we will return if return false if email already exists, and if we return false, then the message will display as email already exists. So I hope that everything is clear. Now we will work on its route. We will create the route, and we will create the route now. Okay, so now create a route. Okay, we will now create we can create get route, or we can create any route that use get as well as post. We can create any route, or we can create a route for check email, like below. Okay, see, we can create route like this, any, and here check email like this. Okay, and this we are going in users controller, and here we are going to check, we make one function there. Okay, see, this is the route. Create any route this time. Okay, so like we have written for register, so it's fine. check email we can create, and we will also add this slash here. Okay, this slash, we can add this slash here as well. Okay, now like this, and now we will create one function similar to this one. Okay, now we create function. Now create a check email function in user controller that will return false if email already exists, otherwise true. So we are going to check for email in user table, and they can do now. We can do that thing, user count. Okay, then we can check user where now we can check, like, so first of all we need to get it as well. We need to get data as well, like in the same way, $data $request on here inside this, and then we are going to check. Okay, we will check email, and we will check here $data email like this. Okay, here we are going to count like this. Fine. See if dollar user count is greater than 0, means it already exists, then we will do return false, otherwise else return true. In case of return false, it will display that message that email already exists, and in case of return true, it will not do anything. Okay, so I will check that it will work or not. I will check. We are going to refresh this one. I will see. Validation not working. Validation is not working this time. What happened? There is something gone wrong there. So we need to check that what thing. Comma is not here. We will add comma. No, we are going to check again. Yeah, now it's working fine. So easily found this time. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. If any error comes in jQuery, it will take time to resolve that error, to debug that where is the error, because it's not like Laravel, it's not like PHP that you can get it easily. You need to console, you need to use console and find that issue. So now see, if I am going to use Amit, the programmer, okay, the same thing I'm using. No, it is not giving any. We will check the issue. Issue has come. See here, internal server error, some issue has come. We will try to resolve. What is the issue? Unexpected value exception. We are going to see what issue has come here. mm, search able. Let's see, search in Google if something such kind of thing happen. That must be string object. Any illegal characters this issue. Okay, now we will see again, and this time we will use some unique. Okay, you can like Steve at the rate of yahoo.com. This time we are going to yeah, again it comes 500 etc. Again it is coming to the this form the string or object implementing to string. See if we will not use this thing. Let's see. Fine, that is fine. But what happens when we use something like this? Then the issue comes. When the issue comes, um, okay, we're going to do one more thing. First, we are going to, we are going to do return false only. I'm going to disable everything like this. Return false only. Going to check whether what will come here. So see here when the issue is coming. So issue is not related here. It is coming from there only. It is coming. Email required. Email to then remote check email. Remote check email and the this one we have done here. Check email is equal to check email that we are using here. Okay. We need to see some other posts as well. Okay, now we need to solve this issue. This issue has come from nowhere, and now we will see Laravel specific to Laravel. Okay, so it's specific to Laravel so that we can have better idea. You also can search like this. Okay, and you just return. So Laravel is going to call. Phew. One thing we can also do remote jQuery. jQuery remote and and creative code that's we are not using. Okay, we will also try this token type of things, and we'll do few more things here that can help us to resolve the issue. And it happens, and we need to do several things to sort out the issue. Okay, so I'm going to add this. I'm going to tell you that what thing resolve our issue. So there are a few of the things I'm going to do, and see here as well. And remote can use jQuery remote. Remote. Mm, URL post. Okay, yeah, fine. We use we update some of the things, and we'll see. Here is the remote we will use like this. Okay, now we check again. Oh no, no. Yeah. check field we are already having. Okay, friends, sorry for that. We will continue in our next part. We will resolve this issue as well, that why this issue is coming. But unfortunately, it is coming here, but not coming in my backup project. That that will give us the see in our backup project issue is not there, so it is already coming here. Port 10. See, if we are going to open, sorry, see, 8010. Now, see, it is not coming here. It is going correctly, but I don't know why it is going here. See, email already, this message comes here. So, no issue is there. See, it's working perfectly. But yeah, we will resolve this issue and we'll get back to you very soon and with other things as well. And sorry for this 10th point, remote function is not working properly. So sorry for that. We will continue working on remote function of jQuery in next part as well, and much more things we will do. So stay tuned. See, in case the remote function will not work at all, then we will not use it. We will use Ajax. Okay, that is much more simple. But we will try first with this thing. There are more and more alternatives to do the same thing. But we will come to second alternative if first alternative will not work at all. So so we will try this. I will try. You can also try this from your end. I will be happy if you able to resolve or the issue will not come at your end. But I will also try here and we'll see that why this issue has come. So it happens. Sometimes issue comes, but we have to resolve them. That is the main thing. So stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.